There comes a moment in life when leaving looks like the easiest option. You feel tired, you feel stuck, you feel overwhelmed, and the idea of walking away feels like the only way to fix everything. But today, I want to share a truth with you that Stoics understood deeply. Sometimes the strongest, most powerful, most life-changing decision you can ever make is to stay. Not staying in pain, not staying in toxicity, not staying where your worth is ignored, but staying present, staying centered, staying patient, staying committed, staying aligned with your values, staying grounded inside yourself. People think strength comes from leaving, but Stoicism teaches that real strength comes from staying strong within yourself, staying calm, staying unshaken, staying grounded in peace no matter what happens around you. This video will show you why staying might be the most powerful move you make in your life right now. Stay with me, because by the end, you will understand the depth of your own strength in a way you've never felt before. Every human has a survival instinct that tells them to escape discomfort. When something feels overwhelming, your mind whispers, leave, disappear, start fresh somewhere else, avoid the pain. But the Stoics believe that running from discomfort does not save you, it weakens you. When you run, you don't escape your problems, you carry them. The emotional wound you avoid today becomes the emotional pattern you repeat tomorrow. The conversation you avoid today becomes the anxiety you feel tomorrow. The responsibility you escape today becomes the regret you live with tomorrow. Staying is not about suffering. It's about facing things with courage instead of fear. Marcus Aurelius wrote about the value of standing your ground, not because it was comfortable, but because it shaped the strongest version of you. When you stay, you tell life, I am not afraid of facing myself. And that is the beginning of inner strength. When you run from problems, your mind doesn't calm down. It speeds up, it beats faster, it creates scenarios, it imagines disasters. Most people are not suffering because of their situation. They are suffering because they keep running from it mentally. Stoicism teaches that peace comes from staying with reality, not imagination. When you stay present, your mind stops running marathons. Your thoughts slow down. Your emotions soften. Your fears lose intensity. Reality is easier to handle than the disaster your mind creates. Staying grounded lets you face things with clarity instead of panic. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Staying stops the imagination from destroying your peace. Most people never build emotional control because they never stay with their emotions long enough to understand them. The moment something feels uncomfortable, they distract themselves, escape, numb, avoid. But emotions are like waves. When you stay, they rise, and then they fall. No wave stays forever. When you stay with your emotions long enough, your fear becomes familiar. Your sadness becomes understandable. Your anger becomes manageable. Your anxiety becomes less intimidating. The Stoics understood that emotional strength is built by staying present with what you feel, not by running from it. Imagine becoming the kind of person who can sit with discomfort without panicking, who can stay calm even when emotions get loud, who can observe anger without reacting, who can feel sadness without drowning. That is Stoic strength. That is emotional maturity, and it only comes from staying. You can't build a powerful life if you leave every time it gets difficult. People quit before they grow, quit before they master anything, quit before they see results. Staying is the foundation of discipline. Discipline is built by continuing even when motivation leaves. Discipline is built in the boring days, the days when you don't feel like doing anything. The world is full of people who leave because they want quick comfort. It has very few people who stay long enough to earn greatness. Stoicism teaches that discipline is freedom. It frees you from chaos, frees you from laziness, frees you from inconsistency, frees you from regret. Every time you stay consistent, you build identity, you build self-respect, you build character. The person who stays becomes the person who succeeds. Pressure scares people. Responsibilities scare people. Expectations scare people. Challenges scare people. But the Stoics viewed pressure differently. They saw it as the fire that shapes you. When you stay with pressure instead of running from it, you grow mental armor. The things that once overwhelmed you no longer scare you. The stress that once broke you becomes something you can handle easily. Pressure doesn't destroy you. It reveals you. It shows you your strength. It shows you what you're capable of. Staying with pressure creates inner confidence, the kind that no one can take away. Let's be clear. Stoicism never tells you to stay in abuse. You do not stay where your dignity is destroyed. You do not stay with people who disrespect you. You do not stay in relationships that damage you. You do not stay in environments that kill your growth. Staying is not about tolerating mistreatment. Staying is about staying aligned with your highest self. If staying breaks your spirit, you must leave. If staying destroys your peace, walk away. If staying lowers your standards, you deserve better. Staying is powerful only when it strengthens you, not when it weakens you. When you stay long enough with a challenge, something incredible happens. The problem doesn't shrink. You grow. Your capacity expands. Your understanding deepens. Your patience increases. Your tolerance strengthens. The challenge stays the same, but you become bigger. And suddenly, what once scared you feels manageable. What once overwhelmed you feels normal. What once confused you becomes clear. Staying builds resilience, the ability to bend without breaking, to suffer without collapsing, to endure without losing yourself. Resilience is not a gift. It's a product of staying. Some people restart everything. New habits, new relationships, new dreams, new goals, new jobs, new routines, new plans, new identities, because the moment things get hard, they run. But constantly restarting means you never finish anything. Staying allows things to grow roots. It lets progress happen. It gives results time to appear. A tree grows because it stays in one place. A mind grows because it stays focused. A heart grows because it stays open. A dream grows because you stay with the process. You don't create a life you love by restarting. You create it by staying. The greatest battle in life is not against the world. It's against yourself. Your doubts, your fears, your triggers, your impulses, your impatience, your expectations, your insecurities. When you stay, you confront these parts of you. You understand them. You manage them. You master them. You become the type of person who can handle yourself even in difficult moments. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Staying is how you create that mastery. You become someone who is in control, not controlled by emotions, circumstances, or people. Patience is a superpower, but it is built only by staying. When you stay long enough, you learn that everything has its rhythm. Growth takes time. Healing takes time. Success takes time. Clarity takes time. Relationships take time. Transformation takes time. Most people lose because they quit before the transformation arrives. Patience is a weapon. It makes you untouchable. It makes you calm where others panic. It makes you strategic where others react. It makes you confident where others doubt. Patience is not waiting. Patience is staying. Stoicism teaches one lesson again and again. Stay in the present moment, not in yesterday, not in tomorrow, not in your imagination, not in your fears. Stay here, stay now, stay present. When you stay in the present moment, life becomes peaceful. Your mind becomes quiet. Your decisions become wise. Most pain comes from leaving the present moment mentally, thinking too much about the past, worrying too much about the future, imagining problems that don't exist. Staying here removes 90% of your suffering. When you stay through storms, you stop fearing storms. When you stay through hard days, you stop fearing hard days. When you remain calm during chaos, chaos loses its power. Staying turns you into something rare, a person the world cannot shake. People look at you and wonder how you stay so calm, how you stay so grounded, how you stay so focused, how you stay so strong. And the truth is simple. You stayed when others ran. You faced things others avoided. You endured what others escaped. You built what others abandoned. Your strength is not accidental. It is earned. It is forged. It is created by staying. If you take only one message from today's video, let it be this. Anyone can quit. Anyone can run. Anyone can leave. But only a strong person can stay. Not stay stuck, not stay silent, not stay in pain, but stay committed, stay disciplined, stay patient, stay grounded, stay loyal to yourself, stay aligned with your purpose. Staying is the highest form of strength, the purest form of discipline, the deepest form of courage, the strongest form of self-respect. If you're going through something right now, breathe and stay. Stay long enough to grow. Stay long enough to transform. Stay long enough to see the results. Stay long enough to meet the version of yourself you've always dreamed of becoming. Because staying might just be the greatest decision you ever make. If this video helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more powerful Stoic teachings. Remember this, you are stronger than you think, and staying is how you discover that strength.